You ever catch your reflection late at night and wonder when your skin started looking this tired? Here's the thing. It's not just wrinkles or age spots. That dry, thin, sagging look, it starts with something no one talks about, not even your dermatologist. Moisture loss. Not just dryness, but your skin literally losing its ability to hold water. Now here's the twist. You don't need a $300 cream. You might just need that little blue jar of Vaseline sitting in your bathroom drawer. Sounds too simple. I thought so too, until I started seeing real results, not just on paper, but on real faces of men and women over 60. Dermatologists have been using this method for decades, quietly. So stay with me. In the next few minutes, you'll learn why your skin changes after 60, why Vaseline works better than luxury creams, and how to pair it with dermatologist-backed serums for real anti-aging results. I'm Doctor No Pill, and here at No Pill Zone, we focus on natural, simple strategies that tighten skin, fight wrinkles, and restore glow for seniors over 60, without pills, pricey gimmicks, or false hope. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments, have you ever tried Vaseline on your face? Or were you like most people, thinking it's just too greasy? Let me know below. Your story might help someone else. Firstly, why your skin really starts to age after 60. Most people think aging skin is just about wrinkles or sun damage. But for seniors over 60, the real enemy is moisture loss. As we age, the outer layer of skin gets thinner. We produce fewer natural oils. Our skin loses its ability to trap water. And when skin loses water, it doesn't just get dry. It sags, loses elasticity, and every wrinkle looks deeper. It's like turning up the contrast on a photo. Everything looks sharper, harsher, older. And while dermatologists know this, most big skincare companies don't talk about it. Because if they did, you'd realize that most creams on the shelf aren't solving the problem. They might smell good, they might feel nice at first, but by morning, your skin is dry again. Because they sit on the skin. They don't seal in moisture. That's where Vaseline changes everything. It doesn't add water. It keeps your skin from losing the water it already has. Think of it like this. Moisture is the tea. Vaseline is the lid on the cup. This one change, locking in moisture, is the first step toward glowing skin, even after 60. Keep watching. And by the end of this video, I'll walk you through a simple dermatologist-backed 5-minute routine you can start using tonight to tighten and protect your skin over 60. Secondly, why Vaseline works, even better than expensive creams. Let's address the obvious. Vaseline on my face? Isn't that too greasy? I get it. I used to believe that too. Most of us grew up avoiding greasy products. We were taught skincare needed to be lightweight, elegant, dermatologist-designed, and full of exotic ingredients. But guess what? Many dermatologist-approved creams contain petroleum jelly as their main ingredient, just with a fancy label and a $200 price tag. Vaseline, in its purest form, is a type of occlusive. That means it doesn't moisturize, it locks in what's already there. So when you apply it, after washing your face or using a hydrating serum, it creates a protective layer. That layer traps moisture, allowing your skin to stay soft, plump, and protected all night long. And here's the kicker. Unlike many expensive anti-aging products, Vaseline is non-comedogenic, meaning it doesn't clog pores. For seniors who deal with dry skin, fine lines, sagging, and that tired, dull look, this one product helps create a healing environment. Tighten skin, reduce moisture loss, bring back glow. Remember this, you don't need a thick layer. A rice-sized amount is all you need, gently patted over your cheeks, forehead, and neck. Up next, I'll show you 4 dermatologist-approved pairings that turn your $5 jar of Vaseline into a complete anti-aging routine. Next, 4 serums that supercharge Vaseline's anti-aging power. This is where the real magic happens. You see, Vaseline is the seal, but what you put underneath it matters too. When paired with the right serum or treatment, Vaseline helps push active ingredients deeper into the skin and protects them so they can actually work overnight. Here are 4 powerful pairings for seniors over 60. Pick one based on what your skin needs most. 1. For dryness plus dullness. Use a hyaluronic acid serum first. It draws water into the skin, plumping it from within. Then, seal it in with Vaseline. You'll wake up with glowing skin instead of flakiness. Many dermatologists recommend this combo because it restores hydration in aging skin fast. 2. For wrinkles plus sagging. Use a retinol cream or serum. Retinol supports collagen production and skin renewal, but can be drying. After 20 to 30 minutes, press a little Vaseline on top to soothe and protect. The result? Fewer flakes, better results, and visibly tighter skin over 60. 3. For dark spots plus uneven tone. Apply a vitamin C or niacinamide serum first. Both help brighten and reduce age spots. Seal with Vaseline to prevent the treatment from evaporating. 4. For healing plus elasticity. Try a snail mucin cream or serum. Yes, it sounds odd, but it's rich in nutrients that dermatologists respect for healing and repair. Vaseline locks those nutrients in and give them time to work. Just remember, use 1 pairing per night. And always apply Vaseline as the last step, just a dab. Coming up next, what if your skin is oily or acne-prone, even now? Don't worry, there's a smart way to use Vaseline without breakouts. 60. Let's be real, just because you're over 60 doesn't mean your skin suddenly stops producing oil. In fact, many seniors still deal with shiny patches, clogged pores, even the occasional adult acne breakout. So the big question is this: can Vaseline still help if your skin tends to be oily or acne-prone? The answer is yes, with the right approach. What most people don't know is that Vaseline is non-comedogenic. That means it's dermatologist-tested and proven not to clog pores. Breakouts usually come from using it incorrectly, not from the product itself. Let me show you how to make it work for oily or breakout-prone skin. 1. Avoid the T-zone. That's your forehead, nose, and chin, the oiliest areas of your face. Instead, apply Vaseline only to the cheeks, under the eyes, around the edges of the face, your neck. These areas often feel tight and dry, even in people with oily skin. 2. Never apply directly over active breakouts. If you've got an inflamed pimple, avoid sealing it in. Apply Vaseline around the breakout, not on top of it. That way, you're protecting the healthy surrounding skin while allowing the blemish to heal naturally. 3. Use tea tree oil with caution. If you're dealing with both dryness and breakouts, try mixing 1 drop of tea tree oil into a rice-sized amount of Vaseline. This combination soothes skin and prevents bacteria buildup without overdrying. It's one of my go-to tricks for seniors who feel stuck between acne and flakiness. 4. Always patch test first. Before applying Vaseline all over your face, try it behind your ear or on the side of your neck. Give it 24 hours. Notitasyon? You're good to go. 5. Use just a dab. If your face feels greasy in the morning, you're using too much. All you need is a rice-sized amount for each area. Warm it between your fingers and gently press it into the skin. Don't rub. And always rinse gently in the morning with lukewarm water to start fresh. Bottom line, even if you still get breakouts over 60, your skin still needs moisture protection. And when used right, Vaseline can help you tighten skin, reduce irritation, and bring back a healthier, smoother glow. Keep watching, because next I'll share the exact 5-minute routine that dermatologists quietly recommend to seniors who want real anti-aging results overnight. Skincare doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, after working with older adults for years, I can tell you, the simpler your routine, the better it works. Forget the 12-step routines. All you need is 5 minutes before bed and the right order of steps. That's how you help your skin tighten, hydrate, heal, and glow naturally. Here's exactly what I recommend. Step 1. Cleanse with lukewarm water. Hot water strips your skin. Cold doesn't remove buildup. Use lukewarm water to gently wash your face. If needed, use a fragrance-free, non-drying cleanser, especially if you've worn makeup or sunscreen. Step 2. Pat skin dry. Leave it slightly damp. Don't rub your face with a towel. Use a soft cloth to pat gently and leave your skin just a little damp. That leftover moisture is what Vaseline will lock in. Step 3. Apply your treatment serum. Choose just one treatment depending on your current concern. Dryness, use hyaluronic acid. Wrinkles or sagging, use retinol. Dark spots or dullness, use vitamin C or niacinamide. Stressed, sensitive skin, use a calming serum like snail mucin or centella. Let it sit for 1 to 3 minutes. This allows the product to absorb before sealing it in. Step 4. Press in a tiny bit of Vaseline. Take a rice-sized amount and warm it between your fingers. Gently press it into the cheeks, under the eyes, around the mouth, jawline, neck. Don't smear or slather. Just press and pat. This locks in the treatment and prevents overnight moisture loss, which is a major cause of aging signs like dullness and sagging. Step 5. Don't forget the aging hotspots. These areas are often overlooked, but they age just as fast as your face. The back of your hands, elbows, chest, earlobes. Apply a tiny bit of Vaseline here too. You'll be amazed at how these areas start to feel soft, strong, and healthy again. And that's it. 5 steps, 5 minutes. Dermatologists often recommend this exact method as a recovery routine for post-procedure skin. But it works just as well for anyone over 60 looking to naturally tighten skin, reduce irritation, and bring back a glowing look. If you found even one tip helpful so far, go ahead and hit that like button or leave a comment. It helps us reach more seniors who want honest, affordable, dermatologist-backed skin solutions. Now don't stop here. This was just part 1. In tomorrow's video, I'll reveal what dermatologists don't always tell you about Vaseline, the biggest mistakes to avoid, and how to make this work long-term for firmer, glowing skin after 60. If you're serious about aging naturally without wasting money on pills or overpriced creams, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, YouTube will alert you the moment part 2 goes live. And if this video spoke to you, drop a comment below. Let's help more seniors find routines that actually work. Your comment could be the reason someone else over 60 finally finds hope for their skin.